Happy belated Mother's Day to all the moms and moms to be. Yesterday was a beautiful, wonderful day for all the moms, and today is Monday, May 13th, and tomorrow is May 14th. We are starting our 7 weeks coaching program for Start Your Blog, and I'm your teacher, so I'll be holding your hand and I will be helping you in achieving one milestone each week. For example, starting registering your domain name, finding your niche, and in the second week hosting, and in the third week writing your first blog post, and in the fourth week we are finding a product for you to sell, and so on. And to get all the details and to chat with me, go to the link in my bio and schedule a chat or discovery call with me so that we talk, and then I give you all the details how the program works, and which else milestones for 7 weeks you are going to complete. And it's a small group coaching, is for only 5 or 7 people, so there are 3 spots left. There is not much time left, and tomorrow we start, so go ahead and schedule your chat, and I promise you, you will be more than glad that you did it. We're gonna talk and see if this is a right fit for you or not. If it is not, no problem, no big deal, and if it is, then we continue to talk, and then I enroll you for tomorrow, so that when we start you are there in my live coaching. Live coaching means I will be with you for 1 hour on the live video, either on Zoom or some other way, and then I will be coaching you for whole exact 1 hour. And next week when you come back, you are going to be accountable to me. The milestone I gave you, did you complete it or not? And then if you did, then this is what I'm looking for. If you had any trouble, then we're gonna figure out what was stopping you and how you can accomplish your task and achieve that milestone. So if you are aspiring blogger, then this video is for you, and this is a business blog. This is not a personal blog, but I help you start your business blog so that you have audience to talk to and you have customers on your blog. So